This is an Epica travel charger that has 4 different type of plugs that you can use in different countries. So when you use it, simply push the button on the side down, slide it forward, and you'll get the plug out. Then when you snap back, you will get it to be hidden inside. So here are the 4 different type of plugs. Then on one of the sides, you will see 4 ports for USB charger. Then you can charge your devices. It has the collection for your Apple devices. So you have the Lightning cable. Then you can also charge your Android devices using the micro USB collection. So it's a very neat and compact design. I think it will be very useful and convenient when you are on your trip.